Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to make a frame around text in Word 2019 for macOS. Open the document. First, select the text you need. Go to the Design tab and choose Page Borders at the top right corner of the window. Go to the Borders tab and select Box. Click OK. If you need to put the whole paragraph in the frame, you basically do the same steps. Select the paragraph you need. Go to the Design tab and choose Page Borders at the top right corner of the window. Go to the Borders tab and select Box. Make sure Apply To is set as Paragraph. Click OK. This option is pretty easy. We just create a one-cell table. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Table and choose one square. Paste the text. Pull the corners to resize the frame. Done. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!